showing the history.
Yeah. Playing huge concerts. So, six, nine, one, five.
And they are very small distances. Have you realized? They are very small distances. Look at this one. This one started at 43, but this is 730.9 for 730. It's a very small.
4, 8, 10.
Is it running now? Does it have running just now? But you can't tell when it started. The win rate is no, the win rate is low, but the winners are higher.
There.
I'm Sean.
And I'm Elliot.
And we're the co-managing directors of Booty, the sustainable underwear and clothing brand.
Our old e-commerce platform was clunky and it relied on developers.
We needed...
But is it possible? I think it's possible to also set up to do the settings on that, right? Is it possible to alter the settings?
No. No problem. You just press
No, I'm saying it's possible to alter the settings for something else. Send it that. Is that a full report? What are the initial deposits? ask him if this is the conservative one or.
Yeah, and ask him what the balance has been.
Yeah,
What
before.
he started.
Oh. Last week it did $28,000.
Huh?
Last week it did $28,000.
You need to see balance. No doubt. It's 50%.
JP, hi, how are you? Good to see you here. Welcome. Look at this, Liam. Look at this. The stop loss is the text loss is like.
But it just needs 10 of these, then the cover is gone. So if it has more of this,
Okay, let me ask you. Good morning, ladies and gentlemen. Good morning, good morning, good morning, good morning, my friends from YouTube, my friends from TikTok. How you guys doing? How you guys doing? Good to see you here, guys. Good morning, good morning, good morning, ladies and gentlemen. Sylvia, good to have you here. Thank you so much for coming on board. Wambo, good to have you here. Thank you so much for coming. Malaika, Ivory KE, Ronald, Anthony, Prudence, hi, how are you? Dalo, Floor Boy, Flower Boy, Flower Boy. Yeah.
One broker would accept this kind of small win.
Small wins.
Yeah. It's like now we're talking.
Good morning, blessed. Spiderweb, good morning.
No. Yeah, 3 pips.
But that takes me up. Unless there is unless you're using a lot size, a huge lot size.
The spread will also get zero.
I should have spread account. I should have spread account. Marv, good to see you here. Malika. Joe Kim, good to have you here. Thank you so much for coming on board. Guys, gold is just amazing, guys. Gold did a massive drop, and there's a high possibility we might be getting more drops from here because the RSI is still above 30 on the daily time frame, so we don't have any kind of oversold conditions yet, though we are looking to see some kind of a retracement. You can see the daily time frame, the 1 minute time frame has started doing some warm-up for going up. I'm waiting for confirmation. Right now, I've decided, guys, I'm not just going to be jumping into trades simply because of the fact that I want to trade. No. It's always good to get into trades with confirmation. And the least you guys can do for me right now is to tap on the screen. Good morning, ladies and gentlemen, from where you're tuned in from. My name is Miraj, and welcome to the Peeps and Vibes Live. And today we have decided to go old school. Thank you so much for the follow, ladies and gentlemen. Thank you so much. If you're new here, please follow me. Badman, good to see you here. Nella Jolly, good to have you here. NJ, good to have you on board. Thank you so much for coming. Sandu.
You've seen it? Oh,
Market will go again to 4,500. Let it push, guys, let it push. Let's look at what is happening. I want to look at the 1 hour time frame, and then we try to find out what we're expecting to see on the 1 hour time frame. So this is the origin of that massive drop. This is the origin here of that massive drop. So there's a high possibility we're looking to see.
okay. So my phone, wait, and I don't want.
No, I'm saying, yeah, I know. I'm saying, yes. Let's do any push together.
I need to go
MXM Pro is saying, quit running around in circles, subscribe to our bot and let AI trade for you without losing. Why are you coming here if it is already trading for you without losing? Why are you here? Remove yourself from here. Why are you here? Fudu. So this market is expected to move all the way to around this zone, because we had a massive drop to this zone. We had a break of structure, retracement, break of structure. So this is where we're looking to see the market go to. Oh, Faith is calling.
Solo me bastó una mirada y tu sonrisa delicada me enamoró, me enloqueció. Mi gente dice así palabras, se nos fue la madrugada y el sol nos sorprendió. kushika tama kufa kwa ngoma nabaki kushika tama na baba lazima vicheche baba lazima vicheche nitazidi kunena.
This is the Don Many Experience.
Nitazidi kunena kama tsunami vile walivyosema.
Nitazidi simama wima, kama nisitochoka kusema, nichazoea kuwapanga kina mama, na kudai mnawapenda sana, lakini pale jua linapozama, nitakuja mapema.
I had to take you off some stuff, but it's good to have you here, guys. Welcome on board. Thank you so much for coming. We are massively going up on gold right now. We are looking for that retest, but this market is extremely on a downtrend. So unless we get something to give us confidence of pushing that market up, we're still very much on a downtrend, guys. We're still very much on a downtrend. So we are still very much on a downtrend, ladies and gentlemen. So the 15 minutes time frame is telling us we are looking to push up, but we don't have any confirmation for a buy yet. Because for me, I always want to see we have a very nice setup on the. Can you hear me? Can you hear me now? Can you guys hear me now? Let's tap on the screen, guys. Let's tap on the screen. Can you hear me now? Sasha, thank you so much for coming on board. Thank you so much for coming on board. Let's tap on the screen, guys. Let's tap on the screen. Now, if you're new here, welcome, 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 welcome. Listen, guys, I just want you to do one thing. There's a link on my bio. There's a link on my bio. Click on that link on my bio and create an account. Create an account, test our system. The broker that I'm using is super amazing. No deposit fees, no withdrawal fees, 0 commissions on selected accounts. So you want to try that, just click on the link on my bio. Look for a link that is written ingot. Look for a link that is written ingot. Get onto that, create an account and deposit even if it is $10. Deposit even if it is $10. Get started on that one. Test our systems, know how good this is. And then the beauty of it is that when you use my link and you start trading and then you lose your first deposit to a tune of $100, you get a refund. Okay, you get a refund to a tune of $100. You get a refund. If you click on the link on my bio, you create an account. You do your deposit. Let's say $50, let's say $100, and then you lose that money in your first trade. Then the company is going to give you a refund of up to a tune of $100. So if you haven't created an account, go ahead and click on the link on my bio. Go to Ingot and then set up an account, deposit, so that now we can start doing this together, ladies and gentlemen. Okay, so welcome on board. Thank you so much for coming. We are looking to look for an entry around this zone here. We are looking to look for an entry around this zone. This is where we're looking to get an entry at, because that is the origin of that massive drop. This is where everything happens. This is the origin of that massive drop. So we're looking to move the market up here, then look for sales up here. Whatever happens from now on, guys, we are not interested in anything else. We just want to see that market move up here, and then we look for an entry. In the meantime, the opening range breakout has just happened. So let's look at what is happening on the 10 a.m. candle, the very first 10 a.m. candle, guys. So this was 10 a.m. So this is the very first candle of 10 a.m. 10 a.m. and this market is already forming higher highs and higher lows now on the 5 minutes time frame. So we're looking to push up like this. So we're looking to see if the market is going to create a high on this one. That's good. This is a change of character, guys. This is a change of character on the lower time frame. That's 5 minutes time frame. And then we are looking to see a break of structure here. So once that happens, then we are going to be going in for a buy, and of course our indicator will have confirmed for us here. So we are waiting for this indicator to confirm for us that we are in for a buy, and then we're going to go in for a buy, guys. In the meantime, we're just being patient. We're waiting for it. If there's any asset that you want me to look at, I think there's somebody who had said step index. Step index is massively buying now on the 5 minutes time frame, but personally I always want to see how the 15 minutes time frame is looking, and you can see here this market bought massively on the 15 minutes time frame. We got a signal here for a buy, and the market just pushed all the way up like that. It's still buying until now, and you can see here this is what we are getting. There it is. That is step index 100. Step index 200 has a signal for a buy, and you can see that signal was sent earlier. It almost went to stop loss, but it didn't tap into that stop loss. Now it's going back to TP. It did TP1 and 2, then did a retest, and now it's looking to push up again. So if I am to take this entry for a buy, I want to see the market give us a break of structure here, then I will look for a buy. That's what I'm looking to see. I want to see the market give us a break of structure here, then that's when I'm going to look for a buy. This is step index 200. Step index 200, guys. How does that indicator work? The indicator scans the market for you, and it scans everything that is available on TradingView. Anything that is tradable on TradingView, it's going to scan it for you, and then it's going to give you an entry, exit, and take profit 1, 2, and 3. Okay, and it scans all time frames. And as you can see here, we have this dashboard that is telling you what is happening from the 1 minute time frame all the way to the daily time frame. And you want to see this aligned from the 1 minute, 2 minutes, 5 minutes, 15 minutes for a buy. That's when now you go in for a buy. Okay, if you see that the 1 minute, 5 minutes, 15 minutes selling, you look for sells. That is how it works. Mina back in a walker. Mina back in a walker. Guys, let's tap on the screen. Let's tap on the screen. Lino, Zabel, good to have you here. Ngetich, good to have you here. Thank you so much for coming. Suman, good to have you here. Thank you for coming. Nari, Honorable Baka. How much is the indicator? This indicator goes for $299 lifetime access, $299 lifetime access. Step index, and it analyzes everything. This is step index 300. Step index 300 gave out a sell here, and you can see I'm looking to drop on that sell. It gave out a sell here. This was the entry, and now it has done TP1, but it's still just hanging around. Stop loss is here, and TP2 and 3 is right there. So we're looking to see if this market is going to drop on the downside. This indicator is $299 lifetime access. If you're interested, click on the link on my bio, get my WhatsApp number, and send me a message. Send me a message. Click on the link on my bio, send me a message. Look at this entry here on the 15 minutes time frame. This was a step index sell. It did TP1, 2, and 3, and look at where the market went to after that. So on the daily time frame, we are on the oversold, almost getting towards the oversold conditions. If you look at this one here, this dashboard here, it is telling you that the daily time frame is looking to sell. is looking to sell. So we don't have a signal on the daily time frame, but we have a signal on the 4-hour time frame. When you go to the 4-hour time frame, you can see this was 4-hour time frame, and we had a nice sell here, and it has done TP1 and 2. It is heading towards TP3. That is on the 4-hour time frame. But already the 1-minute time frame has started to turn around because the market has done lots and lots of buys. It is not yet done with selling, but it has dropped massively. And when if you look at this one here, this is 4-hour time frame, break of structure, 4-hour time frame, break of structure. So we should be expecting to see a retracement, and that retracement has already started being seen on the 1-minute time frame. So when you go to the 1-minute time frame here, you're going to see that the market has started buying on the 1-minute time frame. There it is. It has already done TP1, 2, and 3. Oh my god. It has already done TP1, 2, and 3 because the signal was sent here. Here. Then we have did that retracement and went to TP1, 2, and 3. So the 1-minute time frame has already confirmed, and it has done TP1, 2, and 3. The 5-minute time frame is still waiting. The 5-minute time frame is still waiting. That is why it is still on that initial signal that was sent for the sell. So now we're looking to see if we're going to close above this area. If we close above this area here, then even 5-minute time frame is going to tell us to buy. Okay. In the meantime, what is happening on our... Oh, okay. Gold is telling us to wait for a buy. Now listen guys, you see this? This here is the opening range breakout. We normally trade the opening range breakout like this. That's how we trade the opening range breakout, guys. That is how we trade the opening range breakout. That is how we trade the opening range breakout, and it has confirmed here. That is how we trade the opening range breakout.
This is the Don Many Experience.
Nataka kukwambia. $43.98, 44.05, 44.11. In 30 minutes, what is happening in 30 minutes? We want to see a close above this. This market has just given us a double top here. So once we get a close above this zone here, we are going to hit TP1 and then head towards TP2 and 3. Kuna something nataka kukushow. Easter 360 I do today in XAUSD. Congratulations, bro. Congratulations. Congratulations. Akiana niwe kipuso na niti yo jinga. How to check the indicator? Send me a message on my WhatsApp. My number is on bio. Get my number on my bio. Click on the link on my bio. Get my number. Send me a message on WhatsApp. I'm going to link you up. Yes, it's not a free indicator, it's a premium indicator, so it's for sale, yes. Guys, we're waiting for confirmation on the 5 minutes time frame for that buy. We don't have the golden cross yet. The RSI is already above 50. There's a high possibility we're going to get a CRT here on the 5 minutes time frame. Once we get a CRT, we're going to see a drop and then possibly push up. Once we get a break above this zone, we are going to rise all the way. And then, so we're waiting for confirmation on the 5 minutes time frame. We don't have a golden cross here. It's forming higher highs and higher lows, yes, but we don't have the golden cross yet. That's why we're told to wait. That's why we're told to wait, guys. Send me a message on my WhatsApp, guys. If you need that indicator, send me a message on WhatsApp. My number is on bio. Let's go. $43.85. You went in for a buy. Musical Jaguru, you and I. Guys, if you're interested in this indicator, click on the link on my bio, send me a message on my WhatsApp. Let's get you on. And if you're new here and you're looking for a broker to trade with, click on the link on my bio. Click on the link on my bio. Click on the link on my bio and click on Ingot. Create an account. Ingot is giving you what? Ingot is giving you 0 commission account. It's giving you 0 deposit fees, 0 withdrawal fees, and it's also giving you what we call a secure start. You can be able to get a refund of up to $100 on your first deposit in case you deposit and lose the money. And that is only available if you're using my link, not with any other person, right? This is XAUUSD, ladies and gentlemen. We are still waiting on the 5 minute time frame. See, it is telling us to wait here. Are you seeing that? It is telling us to wait. Please Kelly. Sasa si hata unasalimiana watu. That is what? What is what? This is what? This is XAUUSD, guys. This is gold. This Kelly. Nataka tuende nani? Tuende LD. Tukafanya ile kitu. Ile maisha tumetandika na Liskeli huku kwa hizi streets. Acha tu. Where? Makosha. I told you this one is giving us a CRT on the 5 minutes time frame, there it is. So now we're looking to see a drop up to somewhere here where there's that close above, and then we are now going to get the confirmation on the 5 minutes for a buy. So once we get that confirmation for a buy, we are going to pull it up. In the meantime, guys, let's stop on the screen. Let's go. Oh, you're out. What happened? Oh man, this guy just died out of nowhere, man. Thank you for the follow, Shackman. Guys, follow me. If you haven't followed this account, follow it, follow it, follow it. We do this every day. Lona, shida yako ni gani? Like, honestly. This is streets, my friend. These streets have taught us wahala. They have shown us pepe. I'm telling you. Guys, we're just waiting for that confirmation on 5 minutes time frame. Oh, you did put a stop loss on break even. That's awesome. That's awesome. That's great. If you're on YouTube right now, ladies and gentlemen, you're seeing an amazing, amazing view. If you are on YouTube right now, you're seeing an amazing screen. My cousins on YouTube, say hi. My cousins on TikTok, are you ready? We are waiting for that 5 minutes to confirm, and then we... Guys, today I just feel like doing old school. Today's Thursday. Throwback Thursday. Okay. I guess that is why I'm feeling old school today. That's why I'm feeling old school. Coach Mumo, nobody's looking for work here, my friend. You think we are idle? Liz Kelly, huyu jamaa anafanya nini huyu? This person thinks like we don't know what. Coach Mumo, everybody is at work here, and we are already tired of being employed. That is why we are working from home. Check it out, He wants people to be employed, and people are running away from employment. Ama ni ile kitu, ama ni borogoto. Who is this? Where did you send the message at? Hi, sir. Anita. Okay, I've seen your message. Taxi bedrift. Okay, I've seen your message. Hii ni borogoto hii ama ni hii hata network marketing. Huu ni msee wa network marketing. There is that CRT, guys. So we didn't get a confirmation on the 5 minutes time frame, so we did not take the entry. And that is how it is. We did not get a confirmation on the 5-minute time frame, so we didn't take any entry. We are waiting for it. JP, explain your mode of checking trades. So we're waiting for that here. We are waiting for this one here. Now, there are two things that you guys need to understand. That this indicator will tell you when to buy and when to sell, okay? So right now, we are still on a massive downtrend, and as you can see, this market is just playing around here. It's not doing much, but the market is on a massive downtrend. So what we're looking to see right now, we are looking to two things. Number one, either we get a confirmation for a buy, or we get a drop below these two lines. Let me set them up. You see these two red lines here? We get a drop below those two red lines, and we continue on those sells. We are... I've seen your message. I've seen your message. Taxi Bedrip, I've seen your message. I'm still live right now. Let's talk when I'm done with the live, kindly. So what you need to know here is that this market is extremely bearish. This here is just a retest. Okay, we have not taken the entry yet. This is just a retest. We are anticipating that there's a high possibility when we get the golden cross here on the 5-minute time frame, we are going to catch this move, filling in these fair value gaps here. Okay, but this market is extremely bearish. That is what you need to understand. So here we're just waiting for this market to give us a confirmation here for either a buy or a sell. Right now we are waiting for this to give us a confirmation. You see here on the 5-minute time frame is telling us to wait. On the 1-minute time frame is telling us to wait. So what are we waiting to waiting to see? Either a break above this line or a break below these two red lines. When you get a break below these two red lines, we are going to continue with the sell, looking to get an oversold condition on the on the daily time frame. Any other question, guys? So we're just waiting for that, ladies and gentlemen. We are just waiting for the confirmation here. In the meantime, tap on the screen, tap on the screen, tap on the screen. Oh, Sister Mila. Any question, guys? Any question? Let's stop on the screen as we wait for this market. So we are only going to look for an entry once we get a confirmation here. We're still waiting for a confirmation here. Thank you for the follow. Thank you for the follow. Okay, we want to see a drop below this. Let's remove this one so that we don't confuse people. Either we get a drop below these two lines or we get a cross above this area. That's the only confirmation we're waiting for right now. Name of the indicator, Simply Trade. It's called Simply Trade. Let's go. Let's go. If we drop below this trend line, we are going in for a massive sell, guys. And we are just looking to catch this massive oversold condition on the daily time frame. Let's look at other assets as we wait. GBP, JPY, ladies and gentlemen, for those who trade GBP, JPY, this market is more of everything. So it's not very good for an entry right now. It's not very good for the entry. Guys, for those interested in the indicator, click on the link on my bio. Euro JPY is also mixed up. It's not very good for an entry right now. Euro JPY is mixed up, guys. Euro USD gave us a sell on the 1 hour time frame, but of course we are looking for entries on the 15-minute time frame, and as you can see, the 15-minute time frame has already done TP1, 2, and 3. This one is not ready for anything red. USD stage F. USD stage F. This was yesterday's signal, guys, that I sent to the group, and the entry was here. This is where the entry was here, but personally I caught this entry here, this trade here. It went into a small drawdown and then went all the way to, then went all the way up. So USD stage F is looking good for buys. Let it continue buying. GBP USD. GBP/USD is not ready for anything right now. On the 15-minute time frame, we don't have anything. We're waiting to see if we're going to get a retest or a drop below. High possibility we're going to be seeing a continuation from this zone. US30 US30 has an entry. This entry was given here. So this one here, it's on drawdown right now, but still we're holding. US30 is looking good for a sell, guys. We only did TP1 and 2, and it's looking like it's going to drop again. This is US30. We have done TP1 and 2, and then it went back to the entry. This one looks like it's going to drop again, guys. So if you're taking this, make sure you're taking it with the same stop loss. The same stop loss, US30, same stop loss. So your entry is going to be here. Same stop loss, and then targeting the lows. In a sell on US30. In a sell on US30. In a sell US30, same stop loss. You can target TP3. Can target TP3. That is going to be a 1:1, and then you can also target this zone here. 50,400 is your final TP. TP1 50,533. Stop loss 50,769. That is a 1:2:1 ratio on US30. 1:2:1 ratio US30. US30 is dropping. Gold has not given us anything to work with right now, so we are not going to force anything. We are not forcing issues. We don't have anything to work with on gold. Once we get a drop, a drop below that trend line on gold, then we can take entry for a continuation on the sell. XAU USD, yes, that is where we are right now. What's your question? Oh, I don't understand. What's the name? What's your question? Flo sikuoni. Flo sikuoni. Ama uko kwa YouTube? I can't see any questions. Sioni question yako, Flo. Guys, if you can see Flo's questions, I don't see him. Please type your question again. I can't see it. SL for your start. Type your question again. I can't see it. $15 time frame was our entry. We took the entry on 15 minutes time frame. Your start SL is at 5769. Imeandikwa hapa. Flo, unaona hapa imeandikwa hapa. Ndio hapa imeandikwa. Imeandikwa hapa sell, wait, sell, buy, buy. Imeandikwa hapa. Imeandikwa hapa. Ndio hii. It is written here. Imeandikwa kabisa, sasa ni kusoma tu. Here. Sell, wait, sell, buy, buy. SL for US 30 5769, and then TP 50532. That's the first TP, and the last TP is 5405.
Mimi nashindwa huyu ana shida gani? Yani simu yangu sasa imekuwa yake. Sijamaliza jamaa kanipiga ngeta. Ngeta noma mpaka nikafaint. Nikiamka juzi washanibia. Mara hiyo hiyo tu mmoja katokea. Akanambia hamna noma babake niko chonjo.
Hamna noma babake niko chonjo.
This is the Many Experience.
Tukaachana akashika njia yake, nilipofika mbali nikaona nitoe, nikaitoa ili nipigie naye, nimwambie mambo yaliyonisibu, nikicheki freshi, kumbe nitoe, mama yangu washanizidi ujanja, nikashindwa haya ni maajabu gani, hata noma, nishalijua jiji, ukiwa downtown, kaa chocho, kaa nitakuda.
TP1 on US 30 5592. That's TP1. This is the one that we're taking as the TP1 here. This one. 5592. That is TP1. TP2 5532. And then TP3 5405. The last TP we are targeting this low. This low here. No, it has not yet confirmed. You see, it has just tapped onto that trend line. It has not yet confirmed. I want us to see it break below the trend line. I want us to see it break below the trend line, and then now we're going to drop with it.
This is the Don Many Experience.
Guys, let's stop on the screen. Let's stop on the screen. For those who are interested in using the broker I use, click on the link on my bio. Click on the link on my bio. Click on the link on my bio. Let's go. Synthetic setups. Okay.
This is the Don Many Experience.
Step index. This is step index, guys. This is another step index. It has done TP1, 2, and 3. I took this trade here. Almost hit stop loss. Let's look at volatilities, guys. Volatility. This is volatility 10 index. Oh man, it has already done so much buying. This one is just gone. It has done so much buying. This one is gone, guys. This one is gone. Volatility 50 is on the waiting list for a sell. Volatility 50 is on the waiting list for a sell, guys. Look at this. Volatility 50 is on the waiting list for a sell. So get ready for it. You see, on the 5 minutes time frame, we are waiting. And then the 15 minutes time frame, we're also waiting. So once we get a confirmation here on volatility 10, volatility 50, we are going to drop for sells. It gave us a double top here, and now it's looking like it's going to drop massively for that sell. So get ready for a sell on volatility 50. Let me mark this one. Almost ready, so we're going to BTC, ladies and gentlemen, is massively buying. We have missed this one. This is volatility 100. Volatility 100 has bought massively also. This one has bought massively. BTC, oh my goodness, BTC has gone massively on the lower side. BTC, guys, on a massive drop, it massively dropped. We had a break of structure here, so we're waiting for the market to give us an entry for a buy on the 15-minute time frame. So right now we're just watching. Right now we're just watching, guys. See, 1 minute has a buy, 5 minutes is waiting, 15 minutes is waiting. So we're waiting for the 15-minute time frame to give us a signal for a buy. Let me mark that one out. What else? 75 is gone. 100 is gone. Boom. Oh my god. Boom did a massive buy, guys. Oh my god, look at this. It went all the way up. It has been buying for the last, look at this. Imagine this is 4-hour time frame. Look at how it has bought. This has bought massively, guys, so we don't have any setup there. Look at this one, guys. It has tapped into that trend line and now it's still playing around here. So we don't have any confirmation on the 5-minute time frame, also even on gold. Let's look at Boom 500. Boom 500, guys. Boom 500.
This is the Don Many Experience.
Boom 500. It's not ready for anything right now. It has already done that. Boom 3. Oh my goodness! Look at this boom 300. Gave profits up here and then now dropped massively. Look at this profit. That was yesterday actually. This one we're also waiting for the market to give us a buy entry and then we take an entry now, because right now it's just down south. It is all red, so we should be waiting for buys. What's the accuracy of your indicator? 75%, and sometimes it goes up to 80% if you will follow the strategy or we will follow the teachings that we are going to give you. 70 to 85% of the time. Very nice. This one was yesterday. was yesterday, this one was yesterday. So the market is looking to see there's a consolidation here. When the market is consolidating like this, then you know that the market is looking to break on one side. So you just be patient and wait for the market to confirm here. This is everything here. This is everything. Crude oil. Crude oil. This is crude oil. Crude oil. The entry we gave out yesterday has not yet been tapped in. Has not been tapped in yet. This is a signal we gave out yesterday. We were waiting for this market to come and tap in here. It did not tap in there, but it just did a retracement of that zone and now it's dropping again. Yeah. On the 15-minute time frame, we have an entry for a buy. We have an entry for a buy on the 15-minute time frame. And the market has just done a retracement to the entry. This market is not ready for anything right now because it's looking crazy. I don't like when the dashboard is like this. When the dashboard is like this, I just want to stay away from the market. I either want to see monochrome on the higher side or monochrome on the lower side. If the market is, the dashboard is mixed up like this, I don't want to even look at that asset. So for me, I would suggest to just leave this asset alone. Leave this asset alone. You see this dashboard here, it's mixed up. Okay, this is that retest on NAS 100. This is that retest on NAS 100. We're waiting for this market to retest back to this zone. So now what we're waiting for right now is a bearish engulfing candlestick. If you get a bearish engulfing candlestick on NAS 100, then you can go in for sell. If you get a bearish engulfing candlestick on NAS 100, where the price is right now, you can go in for a sell. If you don't get a bearish engulfing candlestick on NAS 100, where the price is on the 15-minute time frame right now, do not take an entry. Okay, I've told you. Where the price is right now, if you get a bearish engulfing candlestick on the 15-minute time frame, go in for a sell. If you don't see that, do not engage. Mayday, mayday, mayday. Don't engage. How is your USDT performing, guys? How is your USDT performing? USDT is still playing around. It is still playing around. It has not yet given us profits yet. It's still playing around. How can you trade indicator? What do you mean? How can you trading indicator? I don't understand what you're saying. I don't understand your question, bro.
and start booking them. Brazil has samba to dance to. The USA has great.
DJ Cupid is in the mix.
We are still waiting on the 5-minute time frame, guys. We have a confirmation for a buy on the 1-minute time frame. There it is. It has just done TP1. There it is, heading towards TP2. But for me, I'm waiting for 5 minutes. Possibly, that is when I'm going to engage. This market is still above our opening range. It's still above our opening range, guys. How can I get trading indicator? Click on the link on my bio, send me a message on my WhatsApp. Stick to the work. Click on the link on my bio, send me a message on my WhatsApp, guys. Click on the link on my bio, send me a message on WhatsApp. Navumilia. Guys, is it? What is it? What's going on? What is going on? Have I frozen or something? NAS, can I text on NAS 100? Wait, I told you to wait. So we have a doji there on the NAS 100. We have a doji, but we don't have. Look, this is what I'm thinking. For us to be able to sell here, wait for bearish engulfing candlestick on the 15 minutes time frame. You see the current candlestick that we have right now. Wait for it to close. Because this market has literally given us a signal for a buy right now. It has given us a signal for a buy. But it has given us a signal for a buy. Here it is. We had a signal for a buy. So if we don't get the bearish engulfing candlestick and we close above this trend line, we should go in for buys. So wait for confirmation.
Black chocolate ni fine melanin bana kutoka nikapate kanapenda kenye miwa napenda so kanapenda toto chupa na haga nono
like a boss.
Tena we mapewa tako kwangu ni clean so butafagia kwako nikuje ndogo juu takula kushoto usitake kuona na my daddy fashion nilijam nikasample mali yako manzi yako na panga wako wa kando tunapiga katrio sam tunakusengenya ni Mr. Last Guy manzi yako shanipenda mtoto wa nyumbani toto la home Kenya girl kanapenda ganji she ain't a hoe bad bitch kwa hii party vibe iko top kwenye flow joka na perform napenda kuzitoka TikTok anakonga TikToka big pop anapenda stick proper big bila kuna big pop big pop anapenda kuzitoka TikTok anakonga TikToka big pop anapenda stick proper big bila kuna big
California vitu nzuri tunaendelea mbele hakuna cha huzuni hapa furani tele wala wamesahau mziki yangu bado ni genge wala wanatudharau tafadhali usifanye nicheke tutadangana jamani merudi studio leo na nasikia poa na najua mnapenda kusikia sauti yangu kwa ngoma poa tu ndo tazidi kutoa unatulia nini bana mkatuzitoke unapanguza nini bana wacha jasho imwagike kote hata kuna ukame tunajituliza na maji baridi Clemora Ondi ameniambia nikute na ngoma mbili.
Wait for it, guys. Wait for it. Gold is not doing anything right now. We don't have a confirmation for that cell. We don't have a confirmation for that cell, and we have a signal that has been given out for a buy. So this one doesn't have a confirmation for a sell yet. Look at this one here, guys. The RSI is above 50 on 1 minute, 5 minutes, 15 minutes, 30 minutes. So that is literally telling you that we are looking for buys, not sells anymore. The 30 minutes is still selling. 15 minutes is still telling us to wait. So we have to be very, very patient with this one. This is NAS 100. Gold has not done anything. It's still just sitting there, guys. 5 minutes has told us to buy. So we have a signal for buy on the 5 minute time frame. We have a signal for buy on the 5 minute time frame. Proper risk management is required. Indicator. Who is this? Kevin Mwangi. Hi, Kevin. I got your message. I'll get back to you as soon as I'm done with the live. Haya. So tunalaikiana. How about volatility? Let's look at volatility. Use proper risk management, ladies and gentlemen. 43.96, 44.04, 44.11. We are above 50 on the RSI, but remember the market is on a downtrend, so that should tell you what. You should be very careful on that. Sakai, done. Wewe ile vitanza
DJ Cupid, drafting beat by beat. Call me, musical artist.
43.81. 43.81. That is 1:2 risk to 1 ratio. Zito Zimo. Huh? Guys, use proper risk management on that one. You see, the problem with gold is this. London session nowadays has zero volume. Zero volume, guys. London session is crazy nowadays. We have another signal on US 30. Another signal just came in on US 30 right now. Another signal just came in on US 30 right now. Another signal just came in on US 30 right now, guys. Now 100 is still crazy. It doesn't have anything to work with. We don't have anything to work with right now. It's confused. Gold has zero volume on the 5-minute time frame. Zero volume, guys. We have zero volume right now. The market is on a massive downtrend, so you have to be very careful with this. US 30 signal, that is where we are. US 30, there it is. We took a sell on US 30, guys. Remember, we took a sell on US 30. We took a sell on US 30 and it's dropping massively. We took a sell here. It was on the 15-minute time frame, not on the 5-minute time frame. It was on 15-minute time frame. We took a sell on this candle here. The stop loss was up here. This one, that was the stop loss. We took a sell on this candle. We did a small retracement and now we're going down. Are we good?
na umona mifupa nikicheki mlango wangu imefunguliwa lakini kwa nyumba ndani hakuna kitu imeibiwa kujichanganya kujikanganya kweli jana ni nini mimi nilifanya hizi madent kweli nilipigwa nganya sina memory manze sina clue nakuja nimesota kwa meza tu ni mablu nakuja na jirani yangu mkamba nikienda luna msalimia bali kwa hasira na tibu ni nini nilifanya majabu ya majabu ilijana kuliendaje aje ilijana nilikunywaje aje ilijana nilifanyaje aje wazee niambie kuliendaje ilijana kuliendaje aje ilijana nililewaje aje ilijana nilifanyaje aje wazee niambie kuliendaje kwa vile sikumbuki kuliendaje nenda bezo niambie nilifanyaje kufika bezo wase wanacheka sana mazetana bezo ulikuwa umewezekana mpaka kidogo unakuta muadhara wacha kwanza mbele ya mamada sunatuwa matendo pabale tu si ni ule madhakono na miguu hata tana ni yule kumekatia umemshika West mzee na kuambia no kitanda nimejikuta na dhongwa kitanda nadhani atapona mesanya metana kuambia pombe zako mbaya kama inawezekana usiguze bana usiguze bana kweli jana kuliendaje aje kweli jana nilikunywaje aje kweli jana nilifanyaje aje wazee niambie kuliendaje kweli jana kuliendaje aje kweli jana nililewaje aje kweli jana nilifanyaje aje wazee niambie kuliendaje patana na uje nikanishoa kuna manisi wakali so
Step 400.
alafu msioka kanipea track Nitaka mziki tuna na kitani akajikanisha basi tuna na kitani sinajua presha na kuoga dakitani mtaani mini ordinary sio yetikani boss minane ndo maana tupando na shida kakelele wanataka mpaka kando hati ni wadare hey nishamane niko mdogo tu kwenye gari si usane nikisonga mbele wako pale si tuko kwenye club tuna pale lezo yani pale narusha mizuka
Plus 100 is looking good, but it's just waiting for that bearish and gasping candlestick on NAS 100. When you see it, even after the live, if you see it, just know we are good to go. Volatility 50 or volatility 10 index is pushing up massively. Volatility 50 index, we are waiting for that sell. We are still pushing up, guys. We don't have it. The market is just crazy. We are waiting for that sell here on the 15 minutes time frame, and then we drop with it. Volatility 75 index is also on the waiting list on the 15 minutes time frame for a sell. We already have a sell on the 5 minutes time frame. This is 5 minutes time frame, guys. We have a sell on the 5 minutes time frame, and it just came in. It is heading towards TP1 now. It just came in. It just came in. It is heading towards TP1.
Did you get the box?
My work is easy because I use Cloud. Here's how I keep track of all my tasks. I start by brain dumping everything I need to get done in a list view.
tangu nikute Nairobi watu wangu wa majengo sijawasahau sikia hii bro najua nimekosa sana ndo nimeandika hii barua mzee vile nafanya huku kwenye bado mnakazana kabla niendelee salimia sana madha najua unashinda wapi nilikuwa nalala vile mwali nichukua kaniweka kama brother akanipatia mavazi na kitu ya kumanga tangu nitoe ngoma yangu ya ulevi huku Nairobi nimejua watu wengi wengine wazuri wengine wanipendi sijali majengo linifunza kijeshi huku kali muenda jino moja ama bezi ya mazidi kushikisha gomba ndo ikiingia nitakuja kuwaona kina Omari kina Tuma kina Zoa we wasalimie na uambie niko poa niko poa sijawatupa jamaa niko poa
Volatilities are still buying. We don't have any ready trade right now, guys. We don't have any ready trade for volatility index. Even BTC is not ready. BTC is not ready, guys.
Hide your girlfriends, your sisters, and your mothers too, cause DJ Cupid is out to play.
What is gold doing right now? It doesn't want to go where we want it to go. This is a very strong zone here. That's why it doesn't want to cross above. Somebody is asking for step 400. Step 400. Step 400 has just given us an entry for a buy on the 5-minute time frame. There it is. Huh? 1200. Yeah. Okay.
Hide your girlfriends, your sisters, and your mothers too, cause DJ Cupid is out to play. dem ameshapiga magoti. Swing, swing, muziki bomba. Talanta sindumba. Rafiki acha kusoba. Tata amsha, hizo mpacha. Swing, swing, muziki ni bomba. Talanta sindumba. Rafiki acha kusoba. Tata amsha, hizo mpacha. Can you feel me? Ngoma zenye rhythm, washa engine. Sexy lady. Pole pole mama, akata visawa sinumize mama. Muda bado, da mama, da mama, da mama. Muda bado. Pole pole sister, akata visawa sinumize sister. Muda bado, da sister, da sister, da sister. Muda bado. Piga makofi, piga makofi, piga makofi tafadhali. 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 Nimeingia kwenye party, Lovi shika maiki, Krista shika wifi. Kiriba, kiriba, yo piga makofi. Kiriba, kiriba, manze piga makofi. Hey, brother we, hey, sister we, hey, check you. Kitu, kitu, inapita, isiende, shike yo. Kitu, kitu, so wapa nachotaka, kinozungusha, wapa nachotaka. Mama, wapa nachotaka, kinozungusha, wapa nachotaka. Mama, wapa nachotaka, kinozungusha, wapa nachotaka. Mama, mama, wapa nachotaka. Mama, piga makofi, piga makofi, piga makofi tafadhali. 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 Majabu ya jaja na Godfather mko hapa bado baada ya miaka 10. Huko nyuma kule mtani usome. Strategy ndio jina joe mchezo. Jamaa mmedoze kwani hamnaga uwezo ya kuthink badala ya quest ink. Video atazinaga ma lip sync. Msupa lady pia kaletwa na wakenge. Mchezo today tunapiga kelele. Hapa kule chakula tamu shika ule na lebure shika ule na ukumbuke usisumbuke ukumbuke next time tunasimama katikati ya jamii. Watiaji na asali kumbuke akili iko mbele kuliko wote. Madua, madua, madua.
Maisha yangu siku hizi hapa kule, toka shule toka down mpaka hadi mpaka macha hapa kule, mimi yule hustler. Nasaka ganji hapa kule, familia nayo kule, toka kite mpaka kile, toka nyuma mpaka mbele, mabasi pika kelele kwenye klabu. Hapa kule kwenye klabu. Hapa kule twende klabu. Hapa kule 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 Matime niko juu, matime niko down, matime niko hapa kule. Namshukuru Mola yule, puniti tuko mbele. Tunakamna ngoma kale, kando enauliza swali. Nina kitu cha mkazale, mini gabu, mini fracha. Siku hizi watikula tu, hapa kule kamdudu na kokoko tu. Hapa kule wajichunge kwa viatu juu ya kadudu. Kila rua itabidi unajua, kabla kuvua chunguza tabia. Kama unampenda unga naye ndoa, marafiki naishi nao kuwa wanafiki nilishawandoa. Kimuziki najua ndotoa.
Yo, we're back. Did you done? Is it done? Sorry? Dow Jones, that's 100. Yes.
XAG USD.
That is silver, yes. You're asking if we need all those.
Yeah, we need that.
Yeah.
Euro USD as well or no?
Euro USD and GBP USD, those two. Yes, GDP, GDPY.
Naumia na penzi. Shida nini nikitoka studio umenifuria? Shida nini nikienda show John anza kulia? Shida nini ukiona na manja na chenjia? Shida nini? Mimi nino nini ngoma lazima niendelee kutoa. Mimi nino nini show kwa nini ngoda wanatoa. Mimi nino nini lazima kuna best wa kuniokoa. Mimi nino nini? Kaa chini leo niambie John nini mbaya. Sikubala kina.
For those who took Boom 500, you guys are in massive profits right now. They're still selling. No, Crash 500, sorry. Crash 500, NAS 100. NAS 100 is giving us that signal. We're waiting for 15 minutes time frame. If you see a bearish engulfing candlestick on a 15 minutes time frame, you go in for a sell, targeting these lows here. Thank you for the follow, guys. Oh my god, look at this one. This is step index, guys. Step index is going down. Step index is going down. This is 15 minutes time frame. Step index is dropping like it's hot. Step index is dropping, guys. Step index is dropping. We have a sell on the 5 minutes time frame. And it has already done TP1, 2, and 3. So you wait for a small retest on step index, and then we go down. This is step index 100, step index 400. Let's check on step index 400.
No, that's good.
step 400 is still bearish, guys. Very much bearish. Very bearish. So we have a buy on step 500. This buy just came in on the 5-minute time frame. 15-minute time frame is still buying from that previous signal. So this is what is happening right now on the 5-minute time frame. Yeah. I'll just send you the link to gold. It came back to the end. Step 400, step index 400. This is step index 500, guys. It's pushing up on the 15 minutes, on the 5 minutes time frame. Is looking very good for a buy.
What time is it? Ndo nafika home.
Nilikuwa kwa bed.
Ati bed.
Bebe bed, kwani kuna noma?
Na umelewa.
Sijalewa.
Umelewa.
Mimi sijalewa.
Basi niambie perfume gani unuka harufu ya chrome.
Wacha maishu bora sijakwamba pesa ya kumochoa. Neza tu vile nadai sinupiga wera poa.
I am sick of this, I thought tutatulia nikipoa.
Nitatulia wapi si wendo ulimba sherehe ni sheria.
Akia nani? Nakati umejawa siski. Niliambiwa na mamori ule sumbua usimring. Najua stingo za meti ona nkazama kwa ishi. Cheki sayo unakunywa kuliko ngamia za isi.
Baby umeanza kunitusi.
Na uwezi kunishow.
Umeanza urazi na una danji neza tosha kuni please.
Kukupliza kia nani sasa umeanza kukua mdeep. Unajua pride ya mwanaume ushukia hapo takufix.
Utani fix dume suruali jiskuzi when it's bad. Tusijaribu kunisil.
Hapa kwangu teme kuingia kama umechelewa ni si.
Na hapa kwako siko shule baby keep
na nakushomisi sikudai dai zina sikudai dai tena.
Time sina mina die hella.
Kai you must be a damn fella.
Die nigga mini die hard fella.
Ati die zina sikudai dai tena.
Time sina mina die hella.
Oh my you must be a damn fella.
Die nigga mini die hard fella.
Anasema tupate moro. Your start is a bit slow. It's in profit, but it's a bit slow. You have zero volume right now. What is happening on gold? Gold has zero volume too, ladies and gentlemen. We took that buy, but it's not going anywhere. Guys, NAS100 has not yet given any reason for a sell, so we are still holding the buy.
Lazima nitukataza misha yote matayekele sitaki katike sana mpaka ufunze mgue sije tu kuimba after hiyo tunakuta vitu mtatulia
Look at gold, guys. We took that entry on the 5-minute time frame, but now it's looking like it's facing a lot of rejection around this zone. There's a lot of rejection around this zone, guys.
na zote zikopoa kapteli imekiwa mnazi ama imekusiwa kengu mina kubamba basi ukatike neke na kushika subiri sauti ya tenze chukua tali yako chukua manzi yako muku karibu usichoke naye leo hata sitaki tukwe mkono jumi ntugishie tukichua yako sitaki ukatike sana mpaka uvunje mgue sije tukuimba.
Alright guys, so for those who are interested in classes, we do offer classes on how to trade. Click on the link on my bio. If you're interested in the indicator, click on the link on my bio. Just send me a message on my WhatsApp and I'm going to link you up. And if you're looking for a broker to trade with, Ingot Broker is giving you 0 commissions on specific accounts, 0 deposit fees, 0 withdrawal fees, and of course you get what is it called? A secure start. Secure start basically means once you create an account with Ingot Brokers and you deposit your very first trade and you lose on your very first trade, you're going to get a refund to a tune of $100, and that basically means you can test our systems, guys. Click on the link on my bio, click on the link on Ingot Brokers and set up an account so that you can be able to get started on this one. Right, guys, let's connect again at 4 p.m. 4 p.m. We're going to come back at 4 p.m. and see if we're going to have any kind of movement in the market. Right now, we don't have any kind of movement. We have been here for the last 2 hours. So let's connect again at 4 p.m. God bless you and stay tuned. Bye-bye.